Currently the sea is not. Can go scuba diving. This video was filmed with the neighborhood brothers. Go out to eat, people. First, there is also a video of the card. At dinner, you squirt your little finger. I heard about the people today. In the first sentence, each person is two 30-kilogram machines. Here on Kono, yes. 7 more fairies, 4 brothers and 2 brothers in the neighborhood. I mean, yeah. In the neighborhood together, no owner to go fishing to. Eating directly on the slave. Will now open to move the dock to the anchor point. Now you will. Making these wiggle edges here is, at first, it's called prawns. Here, this is usually prawns. 1 can. It's a long way from everyone to let you go. General, most of the locals don't have a charger. Most of the machines are traditional. In the past, I have used these tools now. This is the one from the bamboo. Here you guys have finished taking a shower. Yes, I'll take 2 prawns for a fish pie. Generally, it is a card. Pull the card. It's horrible. So these are the shrimp crayfish. It's quite diverse. Watch out, people. You'll start the ink store. It's windy today, everyone. Quite long. This is ink. 225 Asia 25 petrol T Asia. This is too much. This ink is also fresh armpit paint. This is shorter than this. Hey guys, the card is too much. It's quite a big ink explosion today. So that the squid will come down. When you notice that the squid eats a piece of shit, everyone will. I went down to that part and kept it. The back of the head, well, jerking constant. These two are different people. It's a squid, but it's an ogre. Big eyes of a card squid. I've always been bigger, one day. The first episode was filmed. It's raining now. Hey guys, let's have some fun. But it rains when you go to seaweed. Even if it doesn't rain, everyone will. This is a scene where it rains while making ink. Here we go, keep going, everyone. He shows up one day, he has a month, he shows you big. Every month, it is beautiful to spit in the sea. It's quite deep, 38 to 40 meters. Equivalent to 25 Western communes. tag alone are people jerking constantly. Let the shrimp flutter like a real shrimp. It's a new card. It's usually the tiger shrimp. To that, the more sensitive it is, the brighter its electric shadow is. As you bring one more shadow down to O. Let it shine on the sea. The lights are pretty easy. There has always been no big sun. Article 2. Awesome. I can carry another card, everyone. It's okay. God, it's always up. Not good for buying. Climb fishing. It's showing up to follow that light, people. It means this. If there is a little girl, she eats. If she explodes, then it's millet. I'm going to replace the one you just bought. Loans for purchases. Two children, 2-1 for children. General Brothers pull constantly. Always. Come on, people, let's go experience. On this occasion, according to the when shooting a lot. That's great, guys. That's great. The bridge is only 50 minutes away. Awesome. No matter what, outside of the island, people watch 10 kilos. Today my brothers will. You can eat this type too. The shrimp you two bought is quite sensitive. Everyone has. Notice you spinning around constantly. If you have a drink, drink. Too cheap is always faster. follows a lot, people. Pull for everyone. He was shocked like this a lot. Then in Listo, the bridge said, "Oh, it's been fed water, peep, that means maybe a little bit of it. If you change water or water, it doesn't eat. That's pretty good, so you guys are going to take advantage. It's always pulling." It's been 5 or 7 minutes since I got closer to signing. Even bigger. Before this, you sold scissors all the time, but I don't know why. So great. Outside, you have a lot to say. It's not a bad thing to pull. It's so perfect that people first, that's a lot. Later on, the light bulb is brighter. In the morning, he danced. The ones that sound so bright. Money always comes back. For sides, oh, so many hands, people are sorry to joke about it, Theo. This number car is stick like this. It's not AI. It's quite a long ink. That's why it sticks like this, people. That's great. Oh my god. And now, brothers, take advantage of this fresh squid stew. Eat out of hell. Generally speaking, the nail is continuous. Continuous close nail. Fresh ink is real. I have a request to go to Fukuoka Island to visit. In general, the first is not known which side to turn. Also pull the ink. Fairy, I want to take the whole picture and pull one for everyone to see. But that, first video is not boring. I don't know if people are bored. To be honest, Squid, this is not boring. Even though it rains, I still enjoy it. It's actually raining quite a lot right now. But there's food. It's impossible. The rain is cold, people. Pull again. Whether or not you will see it. If you pull the card, everyone uses the card. The process is like that. Usually if the ink boils thick, well, you will. It's a lot of overdrive. If you want to pull the card, you have to do it quickly. Fast is very fast. That's it. That people see him. It goes up into the sky. Usually, people will get it. Follow me. That's usually now. I'll pull the card to shovel it. I'll show you the way you do. Look at the card. People notice the squid that it is. That's a lot, my brothers. Keep grinding. That's it. That's one. One of them, everyone. Up a lot of people. Oh, it bites. Now the fairy wheel. North to boil the squid everywhere. This is a daffodil with a little bit of sweet flour. Salt at the hour. To boil the water is boiled immediately. I will choose a car in general. It's quite a lot to have that pot. After 50 minutes, you will enjoy it. Now you're in position to prepare for battle. Oven to eat everyone. The rice is first. There are people to eat it perfectly. Well, it's the best. Tea is not talking shit. Tea is a little wash your dirty. Hands, you eat well, but if you eat, you lose. A 100 drinks, everyone. The glasses, are you pouring wine ratu? Eat with drink, give it quickly. If you go there, there are 4 of them. It's a bit of wine, people. I drink a lot too. My 8-year-old brother has no money to drink. We both drink a lot too. Invite everyone to use the ink with their brothers. Always armpit pain. The fairies will eat this one.
Ăn đi, ăn hết thì ấy chứ giải cái gì.
Ngon lắm mọi người.
Anh còn lại còn đó, cho anh em hết gì dưới đó.
Quá
It's
tuyệt vời
amazing.
luôn.
Ở 4 con ép mặt luôn. Lúc này cơm nó no nữa. Cái làm vừa ngon. Nói cho em cháu còn ghét. Ý này ghét là phải anh không à, lúc mình thường anh chơi á, anh có 4 con vừa.
Đây ruốc không ha? Em từ mới này sẽ ngon luôn.
Là chưa đoán là vậy, giờ mỗi lần đi mua về làm rồi à. Một hai giờ đêm vừa rồi nó đói rồi đó. Còn họ cho một khay bán mày luộc với ăn cứu họ ớt nè. Họ đánh mạnh lên nhưng mà đói xin.
Dạ.
Mỗi lần còn vô mà còn nói mẹ lên cái ai con sao thằng bực là không à, con nhà to nhất là thằng bạn con cứng và cứng non à. Con rong tém ha, cứng mặt.
Ai dụ.
Con này rong tém nó còn cứng.
It
Quá đã luôn.
always smells good.
Thơm lắm.
It's really, really delicious.